make the cake, I'm using marigold biscuits. If you do not have Mary biscuits, you can just use any plain biscuit which is not salted. Now take a mixer grinder and break the biscuits roughly. I'm using half the packet, that is 300 grams. So I'm using 150 grams of biscuit. And now grind it for 1 minute till you get a powder like this. Next I'm adding cocoa powder. If you don't have cocoa powder, just add any chocolate or any chocolate drink, Bournvita, Horlicks, etc. Next I'm adding jaggery powder for sweetness. If you don't have jaggery powder, you can just use jaggery or normal sugar. And next I'm adding some milk, that is at room temperature. Now we're going to blend it again. Some more milk. And blending again for a perfect consistency. Now pour the cake batter in a bowl. And we have to stir it so that no lumps are remaining. So keep stirring well so that the lumps are all gone. As you can see, there are still some lumps in the batter, so we're going to break it. Next I'm adding baking powder. I'm not using too much of baking powder or soda or any other rising agent because it's a fudgy cake. And now we're adding vanilla essence. This is optional. And now mix all the ingredients well till you get a smooth, silky cake batter. Now we are going to grease a cake tin with some butter and place a parchment paper. And grease again. And now pour the cake batter on the tin. Tap it twice or thrice so that the air bubbles are not remaining. And now we are going to bake the cake in a kadhai. We are not using the oven, so I've taken some salt in a kadhai and I've heated it properly. We're going to preheat this kadhai for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to place a stand. You can use any wire rack or any stand, and then place the cake tin on top of it. Now cover the kadhai with a lid, and now we are going to bake the cake first for 15 minutes in a medium flame and then for 30 to 35 minutes on low flame. So after 50 minutes, I'm just checking with a skewer. The cake is nicely done. As you can see, there are cracks all over. So allow the cake to cool a bit and then take it out carefully on a plate. My cake is not yet cooled down properly, so as you can see, the edges are still rough. You can trim the cake according to your like and just decorate it with some chocolate sauce or ganache or just melted chocolate. I'm just adding some white chocolate on top that I've grated. And finally some chocolate chips for garnishing. and a delicious chocolate fudgy cake is ready.
Hi friends, I hope you liked the recipe. So I would just like to give you a few replacement tips for this cake. So number one, if you don't have Mary biscuit, you can just add any biscuit that is available, but make sure they're not salted. Number two, if you don't have cocoa powder, you can just add instant coffee powder, you can add Bournvita, you can add chocolate Horlicks or any chocolate bar that is available. If you don't have any of that, just add normal chocolate biscuits and it will do the work for you. Number three, if you don't have Jaggery powder, you can just add Jaggery, normal Jaggery, or you can just make the cake with sugar instead. So I hope you guys found this information helpful, and if you like this recipe, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any video with me. See you next time. Bye bye.